Yo, what's good, guys? So today I'm gonna be um basically documenting my earlier trades and trying to look for new opportunities in the market, right? So you guys can see basically explanation for this trade right here. You can see that those weren't swept, but I was considering after I basically placed this here over here. It was a 1 to 2 risk reward. But am I confident in this trade? No. But this, on the other hand, right? We swept this liquidity, as you can see. These lows. Sell side liquidity, completely swept. I don't even need to draw the line, because you get the point. This is a major inducement zone. And I think I saw like a demand order block somewhere here. I think there was an order block on the 4 hour. Let me see. Yeah, so you see right here, we have an order block right here. So we have an order block, and the fair value gap that's supporting it is basically where this was retracing down towards. So it was either trying to retest this order block over here, or it was retesting this fair value gap. In this case, it was a fair value gap. So once I saw proper a inter-term high being broken, as you can see right here, this inter-term high being broken, that's when I tried to entry. Now over here, I think I entered off the where was it? Yeah, right here. I think this was like above the order block from what I can see. Yeah, this was like an order block entry basically. That's a low probability order block entry, but basically it's almost a TP like over here. So unless it pulls back to like this point, because it's following the order flow right here, as you can see, it's breaking structure towards the upside. So unless it like goes lower than this, I'm just gonna get out. But if not, I'm just gonna hold this until this point. So good for 1 to 5 ratio trade. On NASDAQ, let me show you NASDAQ. Did I clear? But I did take something from like. So you see this extreme liquidity sweep. So you can see that there is a fair value gap somewhere here. You can still entry low key, like even targeting. Let me see. We don't really have an order block here, so ideally, the only point if I'm taking it up here, I would target is this point, because we swept the highs, but then this is like the real supply order block. So I would even like just take it towards this fair value gap and then call it quits. There's this fair value gap. So if I could look for another opportunity in the market, somewhere like, let's say for example, this is already mitigated, so I'm not trying to take this, but I could consider order flow and take this from here all the way up to this point, to 1 to 10. But should I go for this trade? Let's see. Even a 1 to 9, that's fine, you know. If it does pull back and retrace higher, then I will take this, because it does need to rebalance price at some point. So you don't really see any like fair value gaps, but we do see a bit of imbalances, so it's already mitigated over here. So that's why I don't want to take this, but I could entry somewhere like here even. But I gotta make sure this is like actually a reversal, because considering order flow, this point would be like a little too much of a pullback. Because even if it does reversal and balance this price range out, that's after it sweeps the liquidity low key. So yeah, low key, I'm not trying to take that yet. So a few missed trades from last night. I'm a little sad about it because I didn't take it, but it's okay. We live and learn, right? So right here, as you can see, there's a fair value gap here, so it tapped into that. Seems like we're going higher towards like here, because this is an order block right here. So yeah, it will definitely hit like TP. I know that for a fact. I know, like, watch, mark my words. It's gonna hit TP. Like, where is it? Even if I use this as my stop loss, it's a 1 to 1. So I would at least get like a 1 to 2 out of this trade. There we go. So when it cancels out the order flow, that's when you exit out the trade. You can see that this is trying to sweep liquidity. So I'm expecting price to sweep the liquidity, and I'm expecting short down. So I have a pretty good like shorting opportunity here. See, this is a demand level order block, so I have a high probability order block on GBP USD. So I'm gonna take it down here. But I need to see like a proper sweep though, because I don't want to really like, because this is basically manipulation. So it's basically the support and resistance traders. They see the breakout over here. And now they're taking it towards the downside. This is not what I'm trying to involve myself with. I want to see price have a manipulation somewhere here, and then place a stop loss above the swing high, and then take it all the way down here. We have a pretty good trade. It's like a 1 to 8 at that point, and it's a heavily inducement zone. Heavily inducement zone. Because this is like an all-time high, if you think about it, see? Heavy inducement zone. Kind of swept the... Wait, what is this? Don't run, no trip. Don't... What is that line? Okay. Anyways. So once we have the manipulation, like the proper sweep, that's when I'm trying to take this trade. Wait, this might be the sweep. Okay. Yeah, it swept these highs though. It swept these highs, but I might try to even take like a bit more inducement. I need to see like a proper shift, like this low to be broken. If this low is broken, because it created an order block here, right? If this low is broken, then I will take it from any of these fair value gaps that form here. This one, even this one, honestly. Even this one. I would take it from any of these fair value gaps because price needs to rebalance, so it's definitely going to come back like towards this range. So I'm going to take it from the high probability order block all the way towards the stop loss. I mean, TP. Why would I be taking a trade to a stop loss? Like, you are fucking stupid. Okay. So yeah, when I see proper confirmation, I will take this. I will 100% take this. I would entry like one... Because it needs to pull back. Like after sweeping these lows, it needs to manipulate and come back. So it's going to come back here. 100%. 1.31288. So let me see. There's news that... Yeah, so it's going to definitely happen between like... Probably at like New York AM session, which is like 3 hours from now. Because there's going to be a massive sell-off because the price needs to like close off as well. Let me see what's happening with the sessions. So we swept the highs. So see, all of these sessions, low-key swept the highs. Like this was yesterday. So it swept the lows yesterday, and now it swept the highs. So now it needs to like end the week by sweeping the lows, you know? So of course, like, you know, the whole theory of weekly ranges. So it needs to like sort of finish the opposite as to what it started on average, right? So it swept all the highs. So the price was all at an all-time high during the week. It swept this one low. Now it needs to go back towards what? This. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. So there's a high probability order block right here is where my target is going to be. So I'm going to take the trade from here. I'm not trying to entry yet. I'm going to put a pending order, buy order. I mean a sell order. Let me just put that real quick. GBP USD. Yes, sir. Where is GBP USD? Okay, so the stop loss will go like above here. And where is it? I can't refresh.
So a pretty new time.
That's fucking wild. Where is it? GBP USD, Euro USD. Euro USD, I'm low-key not trying to do anything because the market's consolidating way too much. See? Market's consolidating way too much. I'm not trying to take this. I will take this if it manipulates these lows though. That's a different story because like this fair value gap is where it's going to tap back into, right? So I will take it once it manipulates these lows on average right here. Around this area. Once I see an intra-term high being broken, boom. Take it towards the high. At least this high. If I get a 1 to 2 out of this, I would be more than happy. Yeah, 1 to 2. There we go. I get a 1 to 2 on the dot. Yeah, there you go. Right here. This is because this is the order block right here. High probability order block. Sorry, it would be this. Because this is already mitigated. It's reclaimed, so I'm gonna take this one. But this was already been reclaimed. Fuck. Fuck it, let's take it towards here. 1.85, it's just almost a 1 to 2. Let's make up our mind, guys. Where the fuck is... Oh, so this is definitely gonna run to TP without me. That's okay. It's okay, man. It's a 1 to 5. That's alright. That's all good, man. You live in the, you know, sometimes you're gonna miss trades. It's alright. But you learn because you have the knowledge now, so you know it's gonna hit TP. So I wanna see a pullback, and that's when I want an entry. So yeah, I'm trying to see an entry. So I'll take it towards this point. This low. This exact point is where I'm putting my TP. Why? Because it's an auto block. Even though it reclaimed it, it's basically a demand zone as well. It's an extreme demand zone because it swept these lows as well. See? Look at this. See? It's on the buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve, manipulation, what distribution right after, but it needs to pull back. So pullback entry. Somewhere maybe around, where is it? Fuck. I cannot with this brain rot. I cannot with this brain rot. I cannot with this brain rot. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Yes, sir. It's gonna sweep this low, right? These lows, and then come back. Take it lower, but let me look at what's going on in the 4 hour. See, extreme distribution towards the upside. This fair value gap needs to be balanced out. So it balanced it out, so it wicked in, right? So it's now mitigated. But it still needs to come here towards this manipulation. That's exactly what I'm trying to take the trade towards. What's this? 151? That's a thing? Okay. 151 minutes. Yeah, right here. So if I wait for a pullback, an entry here, then I have a good 1 to 5.73. Because we manipulated these highs, right? So that's what many people were talking about, the inducement zones. Because the thing is, like, these are like this is like the best case scenario because it can like grab everything that it wants. So once it manipulates this, that's when I know for a fact, or even not even this, it should manipulate this. That's when it's like a real change in structure, you know? Because this is the order flow. So if it's even this line considered order flow, so now it's going extremely bearish. But I'm still not confident because if it'll manipulate this, come higher, tap here, and then go lower. So yeah, let's I can't predict the future exactly, but on average, that's what's gonna happen. So basically, let's see. So if I put this right below this fair value gap, yeah, I can't take this trade. I've already missed it. It's alright. This, on the other hand, I can take it. The only thing that I can take right now is I missed this as well. That's okay. That's all good. Okay. It's okay because it's going towards this auto block. High probability auto block. I mean, a supply level right here. That's okay. We missed a few trades. That's alright. So I'm trying to take this one now. GBP USD. Wait, let me see what's going on here. So this is almost at TP. Look at that. 1 to 5. So unless it breaks through this interterm high and breaks order flow, even then it might be just sweeping liquidity and going higher. So unless I see proper bearish displacement here, this is definitely a TP. Look, what's the ratio? 4.9. 100%. I'm becoming so fucking profitable with this shit. Look at that. Look at that. Order block. Supply level order block. High probability. Very high probability. So we'll take it over here. But yeah, pretty much apart from that, where's my thing? Okay. So yeah, wait for a pullback. And I'm trying to see a pullback towards this. Once I see the pullback, that's when I'm gonna take it towards the SSL liquidity. And Apple stocks? I've never checked Apple. What was that other thing? AMD. I want these lows to be swept. Come on, Apple. Sweep these lows, man. Sweep these lows, then go higher. It's gonna be such a discount price for people to buy in because like at this point it's gonna be like very discount for motherfuckers to like tip in, you know. This needs to sweep these though, so it's gonna take way longer. This will in fact come here. This on the other hand will, what is that? Yeah, it needs to sweep these lows, or at least these lows. Test out one of these. Most likely test out this area, because actually no, it might test out this. No, there's no auto block here, so it's gonna, I feel like AMD is gonna drop a lot. I mean, Nvidia is gonna drop a lot. I'm not gonna take any trade yet. I'm gonna take, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so it reached these equal highs. No, yeah, I need to take this. Yeah, GBP USD. Let's wait for a pullback. So yeah, basically this is where I'm gonna entry. It might run without me. I'm not too sure. If that's the case, then I will like look for a different opportunity. But I'm expecting price to sweep this. Sorry, even sweep this, go higher, and then go lower. So ideally, even like I would entry over here. Even if it's lower rebound, I would entry. Because we're still getting a 3.33, so to me that's good. We can take it here. 3.53. Well, it's fine, we'll take it here. But yeah, after the sweep, I'm expecting price to come back, tap lower. 1 point this range, so I need to take it from, where's GBP USD? Great British pound, yes sir. Where's the British pound? You see this range right here? This second fair value gap. That's where I'm putting my sell order. Supply level auto block. Nope, right here. See that? There we go. $19 Fortnite card. Who wants it? Oh wait, stop loss is here. I'm about to go. I'm about to nut. We're stroking it a bit and then put. Right there, see? Yep, there we have it. 12. Nope. Yeah, $15 is fine. That's okay. I can take it all the way down. Because price does need to sort of put a pending order. There you go. So once it sweeps these lows, or these lows for that matter, it will come back and go lower. If it does run away without me, I'll probably entry off like the unmitigated fair value gaps. For instance, this one, it is mitigated. In that case, I won't touch the trade because I don't want to like risk too much. If it does pull back, it's gonna pull back here and then go lower because our ROL is also too risky, so it's okay. As you can see, what you mean to me, yes sir. It's gonna sweep these lows, watch. It's gonna sweep this and then go higher. If it doesn't sweep that, that's a bad trade. Because it needs to sweep it, so. This is a fake out. This is a fake out. Why do I keep doing that? Grab this. Come on. Luke, grab that O. Tap back and then go lower. No entry of this fair value gap. Fortnite gamer. Among Us. Among Us? Fortnite? Among Us? Yes, sir. That's right. Among Us Fortnite. Alright? You hear me? Among Us Fortnite. I'm telling you. How do you use it then? You are using a... I'm sorry. Yes, sir. Alright. I'm sorry. Bye bye. My bad. Sorry.
As far as I'm aware.
Give me a sec, guys.
So, for example,
Yeah, this is a heavy inducement zone because there's a bunch of decisions that's going to be made here. See, all these highs were taken out, right? So this manipulation is a strong indication. So once this pulls back, it's a strong trade towards the sell side liquidity right here. High demand. There's a high probability order block right here. Supply level. Could even take it like all the way down here. No. I don't want to get that risky. Honestly, I would just cut it off right here. 1 to 3. I'm happy with a 1 to 3. As long as we have like a 1 to 3. Oh. TP. Yes, sir. Because it needs to gather a few bit more liquidity, so it's probably going to just go lower. But a 1 to 3 is ideal. So once it pulls back, that's when I'm going to enter. So let's look for any other opportunities. This is taking way too long, bro. Market's consolidating way too much. Right here, this is I already missed this entry. So it's gonna keep going higher. It's just gonna end the week on like the highs. That's what the price is trying to do. It's pretty obvious right now. So I think if you understand that, you can pretty much be on the right side of the market. See, it's going towards this high probability order block. So unless it like, see, the displacement's are getting lower. So it's continuing the order flow. So it's just, this is just a pullback. Look. Parallel to this. Keep, fuck. And then keep going. It's gonna do this. Sorry. Parallel to this. Pull back. Keep going. That's how the market fuels up. This is normal. See? Sorry, we'll take it here. My bad. Sorry for the tweaking, but see, it's high probability order block. It's not claimed. Oh man, I missed such a good trade. I could have at least taken it here. It's a 1 to 5.3. Such a good trade. LLL. It's okay. We'll find plenty more opportunities in the market. This is an unreclaimed order block, so low key, if price does push here, I could take it. See, this was already claimed. I mean, mitigated. So I'm not trying to take that. But considering order flow, I could put my stop loss somewhere here. And then take it towards the draw. So I still have an opportunity, so. See, I could take it right here. Because it needs to go up. So if it does pull back, then yes, 100%. I'll take it. I'll take it any day of the week, bro. You see what sort of a good trade this is? Because if it's going higher, then that means it's basically going... Unless it breaks order flow though. See? It'll pull back right here. And we'll sweep this and then go higher. Even... I wouldn't consider this. But yeah, there's a probability that it would play out until that point, but I'll consider this as my TP. This is yeah, this is the support level. So we'll continue to do what it does. Yep, it's okay. It's alright. Yes, sir. This is already taken away. That's alright. See, it's retracing here. It's creating order flow to go higher. This is where order flow is. Sweep and then come lower. Maybe even continue to go higher after it fuels up the manipulation and then distributes towards fair value gap. Basically what I'm expecting price to do. Manipulation, just reverse. Fair value gap somewhere here. Tap back, go higher. End the week here. So the pair that I'm trying to take a trade right now is GBP USD. As you can see. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. Still in beyond. So just beyond 1.31, Buckle 7-day rally has no levels. That's right. Let me check Bloomberg real quick. You have news at 5:30. Still have time. 6 p.m. we have a red news alert. So gotta wait for like at least 10-15 minutes after 6 p.m. So that's 6:15. So that's when I want to take the trade. You know. You feel me? Why's my Twitter not working? Bro, my account keeps getting restricted for some reason. It's so fucking annoying. I think it's bought up by some bunch of crypto nerds. So my Twitter account just gets restricted for no reason. Absolutely no reason. Like absolutely no reason. It just gets butted. I swear to God. Yep, there you go. So let's wait for the pullback and then take it towards the lows. We got it. We got it. Yes, sir. I could low-key take it towards the other. Let's take it over here. Even though it used this fair value gap, you can still use this supply level. If I take it all the way here, that would be... I'll take it here. Here at most. So, anyways, I'm just gonna like not stay on the charts because I don't really need to be charting for too long. I just need to be continuing to learn for long. And pull back and then go higher. Anyways, I just need to be locked in on the, not on the charts. See, pulls back, goes higher. Watch. Guaranteed, 100%. It's gonna go higher. Let's go from here. Oh, this is a dumb demand zone right here. I'm gonna target this because there's an auto block right here. I go here. 3.6. So even if it does come back, please, God, give me an opportunity, man. Come on, please. You know me, your boy. You know, I'm your boy, right? Thank you, please. Come here, pull back, and go. Cause even DJ is trying to like go higher. See, it's aiming for these highs. Aim for these highs right here. So SMT, this is SMT right here. So we have bullish SMT all the way. We have pretty strong bullish SMT. So I don't think there's a very less likelihood that it's gonna come here, like come lower. Because DJ is literally telling the older brothers, I mean the younger brothers, just to follow along. As you can see, right? So I could low key entry. This is a huge trade though. So I'm expecting price reaction here, 0.5. This is mitigated? No, it's not. So I could low-key wait for a pullback up to this point. And maybe entry if I see convincing price action. So mark this down on S&P. Because this wasn't tapped before. So it might fuel up the market from like by sweeping these highs. Come here. And then go higher. This is so bad. But these eyes, manipulation, taps back, goes higher, maybe even like a higher fair value gap somewhere here, taps back and then goes higher. Let's see how it plays out. Even if I take this trade from like here, considering order flow, this is order flow right here, and take it TP here, somewhere here, 6.47. Cool. Amazing, man. Amazing. You know what I'm saying? Tesla, let's look at Tesla. Seems to be sweeping these lows right here. Yep, it's sweeping. So it's sweeping the lows once it has a clear manipulation and inter-term high broken somewhere. Like I'm expecting somewhere here. Once it manipulates, breaks the high, uses it as support. I cannot speak. Uses it as support with maybe expecting a high probability order block somewhere here. Take it towards. Yeah, take it towards here. This order block right here. So that's another price anticipation. Let's see if it plays out the way we want it to. If not, then I'm just gonna jump off a cliff. I'm just kidding. Let's see how price plays out. Anyways, guys, that was just my charting for today. That was yesterday's trades that I didn't take because I was too pussy. Today, for sure, I'm taking it 100% during New York game session, so I'll be streaming again. And this was my reasoning as to why I'm taking those trades. So that way I don't need to spend too much time explaining why I'm taking those trades at that time. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this stream. To anyone that joined, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys at 6:30 during game session after the news, because we need to wait for after news. Because that's like 6:50 and 6:30, yeah, so by New York game session.